The first farmers. By about 10,000 BCE, the wandering peoples of the prehistoric world had worked out that if you plant seeds, they grow. They gave up roving and hunting and began settling down to become farmers. On the move. Tribes of hunter-gatherers once drifted from place to place, looking for animals to hunt and plants to gather. People never had the chance to build a settled community because they had to keep moving in search of food and water. Taming the beasts. Once people started farming, the domestication of animals followed rapidly. Dogs, goats, sheep, and pigs were among the first to be tamed by humans. Wild herds became a controllable supply of meat, milk, and wool. Cultivating the crescent. Farming truly got going in an area known as the Fertile Crescent. The region included Egypt and Western Asia and stretched from the Mediterranean to the Persian Gulf. When three big rivers, the Nile, Tigris, and Euphrates, flooded, their slit-loaded water enriched the soil, making it ideal farming land. How it changed the world. A more reliable food supply often meant a surplus, which allowed people to do other jobs. This helped kickstart the first civilizations, and some of the early farming villages went on to become big towns and cities. Staying put. As fresh food could be grown to order and agriculture became the norm, the first real human societies formed, where people sowed crops in fixed locations year after year. The farms became natural centers of civilization.
How was the wheel invented? Hello students! Today is a special day. Today I will tell you the story of a great invention. Let us see. You must have seen a bus moving on the road, or must have seen your friends cycling on the road, or must have seen a car being driven on the road. Can you guess what is common in all of them? Yes, it is that round object called as wheel on which all these vehicles run. The bus has wheels, so does bicycle, and so does the car. It is a great invention of the wheel, due to which we are able to move much faster now than in the olden times. Now let me tell you the history of the invention of the wheel. The primitive men used to live in jungles. They used to kill animals for their food and used to carry them for long distances to their caves. One day it is believed that a caveman saw a log of wood rolling down. He got very interested as to how the log of wood was rolling. Another day, an animal was kept on the logs of wood, and slowly, as the log of wood moved, the animal was displaced from its position. This excited the caveman too. Very soon, the caveman took a log of wood and cut it from one side to form a round object, which finally came to be known as the wheel. Now slowly, wheels were used to take killed animals from the forest to caveman's home. And slowly, bullock carts and horse carts also came into existence. So this is how the wheel was invented.